Okay, so my problem was I like to have the window open in my bathroom to let a lot of light in when I'm taking a shower. I just like that nice, bright daytime shower. But obviously, I don't want people to be able to look into my bathroom. So I love when Amazon has elegant solutions to my problems. So I picked this up, and this is just like that window film that will let the light go through but won't allow people to see through. And it's really easy to put on. I was actually kind of worried about how hard it would be, and I read these instructions, and it truly is that simple. And I even did it a little bit more simple than the instructions. I just cut off the appropriate sized piece, even a little bit bigger than I actually needed it. You peel off the back, and then you wet the window. And you can wet the back of this as well and press them together and then use a squeegee. I didn't have a squeegee, so I used a really thick business card. You could use a credit card or a debit card or something. It worked very, very well. You squeeze all the water out and that thing is stuck. So now I can open up my blinds and I can have a really nice, bright, sunny bathroom without people actually being able to look through it. So I like when Amazon has elegant solutions. This stuff comes in these big rolls, so I pretty much can tear that one off if I ever need to remove it and put another one on. No problem. I'll just store this in the closet somewhere and use it as much as I need it. But I am happy with this stuff. It's very easy to use and it works very well. And if you are in that same boat as me, you want to let the light in but nobody's peeping eyes, then I would definitely recommend this stuff.